This PC has the fastest CPU and the fastest GPU in the world. I've started this build by unboxing the fastest overall chip for the consumer market, the new Intel i9-14900K Special Edition. This blistering chip is for those that want the best gaming experience and the best performance for productivity. The case for this build is actually the world's first 4K PC case. This fishbowl chassis has an inbuilt 14-inch touchscreen that displays at 4K resolution. Now it's time for the real showstopper behind this build, the Asus ROG Matrix RTX 4090. This is the best RTX 4090 that money can buy, and accordingly, it is the fastest graphics card on the market. Unlike other out-of-the-box graphics cards, this GPU has a closed-loop liquid cooling solution with two thick pipes attached to a massive 360mm radiator, meaning this GPU isn't just the fastest, it is also the coolest.